Should you get a trail camera for home defense or your bug out location? Yes and no, because there's two different kinds you can get. I'm going to tell you what you should do. My name is Jason Hanson. I'm a former CIA officer and the New York Times best-selling author of Spy Secrets That Can Save Your Life. So when it comes to trail cameras, I have bug out locations. I think bug out locations are important. And some of my bug out locations are basically like a cabin in the woods. Others are a shipping container that has been turned, when you walk inside, you never know it was a shipping container, right? In my shipping container bug out locations, there's really nothing people can destroy or damage. So I have a trail camera just like this, and this is the camera that records onto the SD card. This is one where I can go check my trail cameras. You know, I put it high in the tree. I can go check them when I want to, and I can see, you know, here's the deer that went through the property, or I can see if anybody was going through our road or trespassing and all kind of that. However, this kind of trail camera where, again, you have to go check the SD card, you're not seeing it live. So if you had a bug out location and somebody did come and do some serious damage, you would have the information and know who it is, but that's after the fact. You wouldn't be immediately notified. So that is one type of trail camera. Now, there are also trail cameras you can get, and again, this is not one of them. This is one of the more battery operated kind, but there are trail cameras you can get where they are wireless, meaning they monitor just like a security camera monitors all the time. So if you put this up at a location, it will monitor and alert you like, hey, somebody just walked on your property, or you know, some animal set it off. It is because it is wireless and it's giving you notifications, you have to have a subscription. So it's just like your cell phone plan where you're paying $20 a month or $25 a month. So if you had some more off-grid location that was like super nice and not just me in some dumpy cabin in some shipping container which is fully locked up, then I would get a trail camera where you have that wireless plan so you can see real time and get notified 8 o'clock in the night like, hey, somebody just went down our dirt road and nobody should be going down our dirt road. Is it some dumb high school kids are going to drink, or is it somebody who's going to vandalize and cost thousands of dollars? So it really depends on your situation whether you want a trail camera that is just the battery with an SD card and you're not as worried like I am and you just want to know, hey, if anybody goes there, or if you have nice stuff and you say, no, I need a wireless plan with my trail camera so I can monitor it 24/7. Totally up to you, but good to have for home defense one way or another. You should always have some type of camera, right? Especially for bug out location. That is a quick and dirty on trail cameras. God bless you. God bless your family.